Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss some questions of probability related to throw of die. An unbiased die is thrown. What is the probability of getting? The word unbiased means the die should be proper. It should not be biased. Now, there are some parts based upon this question. First, how we are to start the question. We will write when a die is thrown when a die is thrown once, comma, the outcomes are the outcomes are here in the bracket I am writing outcomes 1 2 3 4 5 6. These are the total number of outcomes. Now a part, what is the probability of an even number? So how we are to write it? P and in the bracket an even number. Do not write only P. Whatsoever is asked, that must be written in the brackets. Now this is a rough work. I can write it here, the favorable outcomes in the rough work. So you can see here even numbers are 2, 4 and 6. Here I have written so that when I do the question later, I can come to know that these were the favorable outcomes. How many outcomes are these? 3. And you can see here total number of outcomes are 6. So we can cancel with the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So the probability is 1 upon 2. Next part, probability of a multiple of 3. A multiple of 3. So the numbers which come in the table of 3, those are the multiples of 3. So 1 will be 3 and 1 will be 6. I have written it in rough work. So these are 2 upon 6 because there are only 2 outcomes. So 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. Cancellation is important, right? C part. C part is probability of an even number or a multiple of 3. An even number or a multiple of 3. So you can see here the even numbers are 2, 4 and 6. Now here the probability is of an even number or a multiple of 3. So see what number we have left. In probability, the meaning of OR is AND. So as it is told multiple of 3, so here we have missed out 3. So you can include that 3 also. So the favorable outcomes are now 4. So 4 over 6, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. So required probability is 2 upon 3. Now D part. Probability of an even number and a multiple of 3. An even number and a multiple of 3. Here and what does it mean? Like we have written options 2, 4, 3, 6. Here we are to see out of all these you are to select that number which is an even number also and a multiple of 3 also. So you can see what is that number? That number is 6. This is even also and a multiple of 3 also. So the probability will be 1 upon 6. Now here next part, E part, probability of an odd number. So odd numbers you know well that which are here odd numbers. One is 1, 3 and 5. 1, 3, 5. These are all odd numbers. So what will be the probability of odd number? This is 3 over 6. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Even numbers are those numbers which are multiples of 2. Odd are those which are not multiples of 2. F part. Here probability of getting 3 or 4. So or means and. So here 3 is there and 4 is there. So both we are to take 2 over 6 means 1 over 2 after cancellation. So this is probability of getting 3 or 4. Then G part, probability of getting a number less than 5. A number less than 5. So number less than 5 are what? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these are 4 over 6. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. 2 over 3. Many more parts can be there, like probability of a number between 3 and 6. A number between 3 and 6. So which numbers will be there between 3 and 6? 4 and 5. So two numbers, 2 over 6, that is equal to 1 over 3. I hope you have understood this question related to throwing an unbiased dice and finding the probability of the various events associated with it. Thank you.